Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get verified UK business Stripe account. If you have a business registered in UK, then you are eligible to create and verify your Stripe account, and you can receive payment from your clients with their credit card. Okay. You know, Stripe is the most popular payment processor in this world, and maximum service providers are interested to receive payment through Stripe. So this video topic is how we can get verified Stripe account. To do this process, we need to visit the official website. This is the Stripe official website, and I am already in this website. Then you need to scroll down, and you can see here at start now. Need to simply click on there. I'm clicking here, and here you can get the sign up page. First you need to enter your email, then you need to input the business owner or director full name, then you need to select your country where your business is registered. Our business registered in UK, and by default here is selected UK, and I'm not interested to change this country location. Then you need to input the Stripe account password. So you can see here email address, full name, country location, password, and now we need to accept the terms and condition and simply click on the create account button. Here we need to verify our email first. A verification email was sent to our requested email. You can see here we need to click on the simply verify email address button. Our email has been successfully verified. Now we need to click on the active payment button. Here we need to describe our business type. So our business location in United Kingdom, then what type of business we are doing. We need to select from here. Our business is a company. Those who are creating a business account. So I'm selecting the company profile. And here we need to select the business structure. So this is a private limited company. So I'm selecting the private company. Then I'm clicking on the continue button. Here we need to write our company name, our legal business name, and the company registration number. When you have a registered company in UK, you will get this information from the company house. So our legal business name, and this is the company number. Here we need to input our business address, inputting the business address here. So address, city, and the zip code. Here we need to input our phone number. Now we need to select our business industry. So we are e-commerce based business. So you can see here retail, and we are selling beauty products. So I'm selecting here, and here we need to input our business website. I mean, from which website we want to receive payment. You need to describe your product details in a good format. Thus I'm creating a video tutorial, so I'm not writing much more. So after completing the form, we need to click on the continue button. I'm clicking here. Here we need to fill up the company owner information or company representatives information. Then the company director date of birth, and the company owner home address and phone number also. Okay. After fill up this form, we need to click on the continue button. Here we need to add our business owner. We can add the business owner from clicking on the add a business owner button, and you can see here the name. Select the name and then click on the done and continue button. Now we need to add the business director. We can get the business director name by clicking on the add a director button, and you can see here the company director name. By default it's come from the first from we need to click on the done and continue button again. So we are not interested to add another executive. By default here is an executive added. I'm clicking on the done and continue, and here you need to describe your business activity. Here is a question: do you ship the product yourself? Yes, we do. And product shipping estimate time, you need to select here. We shipped our product within 1 day, so I'm selecting here and click on the continue button. Here we need to write our statement description. I mean, when someone charts by our website or when someone paid us, they will show our company name in its transaction details. This is very important to write a statement description. So by default here is our website URL. I'm not interested to change this, and we can, oh, this is too long. Okay. After that we need to click on the continue button. Okay, so our business information verified, and now we need to add our payment details, I mean our bank account details. When you receive payment from your clients by Stripe, after few days later Stripe will pay you. So it's very important to add your bank details here to receive payment from Stripe. So you can see here currency, by default GBP is selected, country, and here we need to input the bank short code. This is our short code, and here is the account number, and we need to confirm our account number again. Okay, now we need to click on the continue button. Here we need to turn on the second step verification, I mean 2FA. So I'm interested to turn on my account security using an app authenticator. So I'm clicking here. You can do anything app authenticator, or you can do with the phone number. Okay, so I'm interested to app authenticator, and you can see here our app authentication has been added as a 2FA method. And now we need to click on the continue button, and here you need to calculate our tax. So you can see here physical product, and our product is beauty product. So I'm searching here. Here we will see our all preview details. You can see here the business name, business URL, business address, public information, and the manager information, and our bank details. We have added our Wise Payment Limited, I mean Wise bank details to receive our payment from Stripe, and our second step verified by app authenticator. And here is a tax calculation details. If you think that everything is okay, just simply click on the agree and submit button, and this is the final step. So this is the Stripe account dashboard, and you can see here our account has been activated. After receiving the first payment, Stripe will ask to submit your identification card like passport, driving license, or identity card. Then we need to submit identity document, and then Stripe account will be fully functional. Right now we are able to receive payment from our client without any issue. So this is the process to create an UK verified Stripe account, I mean Stripe business account. Hope this video is useful for you, and the same time if you need a Stripe account, fully verified Stripe account with ready website, you can visit our website and you can see our services. You can buy a Stripe account from us, you can buy Wise account from us in reliable price, and PayPal account also available, and Payoneer also available, personal and business account also available. You can buy from us in reliable price. So hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any question about this video, please leave your question in our comment section. In the same time, you can share this video with your friends and family who really interested to receive payment from their client using Stripe. At the same time, we offer UK Limited company formation service in reliable price. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.